Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Aces of Thunder game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, low FPS or other issues on PC. So let's jump to the solutions. So the first method is to check the system requirements to play the game. So after searching for the game in Steam, go below and here you will find the system requirements. So make sure your PC have all the required specs, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your system restarts, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the problem. If the issue still occurs, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, now launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files. Once done, now launch the game and check. If not, next is to allow access of Thunder through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings and here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, no need to worry. Simply click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, then click on OK and then launch the game. After that, check if it's working. If not, next method is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check if it fixes the problem. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadowplay, MSI Afterburner or so, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once it is disabled, now launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and here switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay options from here. Next method is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issue. Somewhere the antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of that particular program or disable it to play the game hassle free. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below, click on the link and after it is downloaded, you have to open it and after it opens, you will get a repair or install option. Click on it and wait for some time. Once you get setup successful message, close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check. If not, next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and once done, now try to play the game and see if it helps. If not, next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Under processes tab, you have to search for those apps which are running in the background but without any use. You simply have to select them. After selecting, right click on it, click on end task. Once done, launch the game and check. If not, next is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for view advanced system settings. Click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size, and in the initial size you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on set, then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to run Aces of Thunder as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add the game to the list. So for that, you have to click on add a desktop app. Now go to the game folder, select the game application. Once you add the game to the list, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Aces of Thunder game. For that, go to Steam. Under live video section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will uninstall or remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once, and after your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Aces of Thunder game, and then click on the play button and check if the game is launching now or not. So these are few solutions to fix Aces of Thunder game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, or low FPS issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.